Hi there, creative friends. To create this interesting trinket jar, I started off by painting this wooden blank and lid with white craft paint. I used a soft brush. I find that the soft brush works well because it doesn't leave brush stroke marks. And I squeezed some paint in a little paint palette holder just to make the painting easier. To make sure that the lines and the check blocks are symmetrical and perfect, I first measured it out and drawn some pencil lines, and then I used masking tape to mask it to make sure that the lines are clear and crisp, the lines between the black and white. Then I used masking tape to mask some of the areas. So some areas needed to stay white, and then the other areas I painted with black craft paint, and I used IRIS paint for this project. Once the paint was dry, I removed the masking tape. It's very important that you make sure that the masking tape is stuck down properly, because otherwise the paint will go in underneath and then it will spoil your lines. It's quite a process, but if you do it right, then it is quite rewarding. I made some trim with dust air dry clay, and once it was completely dry, I left it overnight. I adhered it to my trinket jar with craft glue. Instead of painting, I used one of these golden markers to accentuate the lines on the lid. I used washi tape to mask my trim before I painted it with some gold paint. And I used DALA pale gold for the trim on the sides of the jar. For the inside of my jar, instead of painting it, I used beautiful striped scrapbooking paper cut to size, and I adhered it with some DALA gel.